Hi guys, I am so excited. I ordered some plants from Home Depot online. I got some proven winners, Supertunia Vista Bubblegum. They're hard to find proven winners out here in California, and I really wanted to try the Supertunias to put in my front yard. And so I want to line the whole front yard and just have it looking like just a river of pink. So I bought some online and I have no idea. I haven't opened up the box yet, so I thought we could do that together and see what they look like. The pricing was pretty good. It was 5 plants for $41, and that's cheaper than nurseries that I've found online, because most nurseries found like $11.99 each. And this was free shipping, and it was 2 days. So I ordered this on Tuesday, and I got it, no, Monday. I ordered this Monday morning, and it's Thursday now. So it came quick, so I can't wait. So let's open them up and see what it is like to order plants from Home Depot. Hopefully they turn out nice. I'm praying that they look okay. I have no clue. So I'm gonna turn you guys around and we're gonna open up a box and see. I got 20 plants. Hang on, let's look. Okay, they are packaged well. I had a hard time getting those open, but let's pull them out. And this is how they came. So let's gently, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, Dashi, yes, I know. So I got, it looks like I got 6 plants. It looks like they sent me extra. That is so nice, because I ordered 20. Normally I would not do this in my dining room, but it is so warm out. So, okay, so this is how they're packaged. So this is the bubble gum. So pretty. They're small. The flowers look small. Maybe that's just me. But they don't look like they're in bad shape. Huh. I am impressed. They look healthy. They're moist. Okay, let's pull out the rest of the plants and see what those look like. But guys, this is not bad. So there's 5 here, 3, 4, 5. So it's 5. Okay, so there's 4 boxes. Okay, I thought there were 6. I miscounted. Okay, hang on a second. Okay, here are all the plants. And guys, they don't look too bad, but you know what? This one and this one, I think those are not, I think those are a purple. They almost look like Bordeaux. Supertunia Vista Bordeaux, I think. So I got 2 that I don't think are, I mean, maybe this is, but it looks awfully white. So 2 out of the 20 I don't think are the right plants, but that's okay because I got extra. So this is the Proven Winners Vista Bubblegum. I've been wanting to get the Supertunia Vista Bubblegum. That's a mouthful. Isn't it pretty? Oh, I'm so happy to get this. I went to 3 nurseries trying to find them. And here are all the plants. So these came from North Carolina all the way to Northern California in 2 days. They are in great shape. This is better than the plants I saw at the nursery, which shocks me. And the company is called they're Metrolina. They are a greenhouse that grows for Home Depot, Lowe's, and I believe Walmart. Guys, they did a great job. I was testing, this was my test order, because the prices, like I said, were cheaper and free shipping. I couldn't not. So I got 20 plants here. 5 plants were $41. So you have to pick on Home Depot's website, pick the Metrolina. It'll still say Proven Winners because they're a grower for Proven Winners. Or for a few dollars more, you can order directly from Proven Winners off Home Depot. But the only thing is you get 4 plants and not 5. So this was cheaper all the way around. So that's why I ended up going with this brand. But guys, I'm super happy. I cannot wait to plant those. I hope that I can plant them. I really hope that I'll be able to grow these in the front, because what's happening is that PG&E, our gas and electric company, put pink flags right through the middle of my garden, and pink flags means survey, and they're doing construction at the end of our street, so I have no idea. So I'm hoping to get these in the front yard. If not, what I'm going to do is I'm going to plant these in the backyard. I have another bed that I wanted to put Supertunias in. I was going to go with Tierra Pink or Jazzberry. I think it's called Jazzberry, but because my husband likes the brighter colors. But I think what I'm going to do is might plant these up there. I'm going to call PG&E and see if I can get some information. So anyway, guys, I have to say I give a thumbs up and a 10 on getting plants from Home Depot. Cheaper and fast delivery. I love it. So happy gardening, guys.